Hey, what's up guys? Coming from out of Las Vegas. This video is about how to move an oversized planter, pot. So here we go. We've got a broken planter pot here. Ooh, still got the price tag on it. $200 down the drain. But what happened was this day bed, it got real windy. The wind blew it, it hit the pot, it fell down. So our goal is to not let that happen again. So continue to watch these videos. But I've got another pot over here with an ugly Madagascar palm. For now, it's in dormancy. But that's for another video. So gonna come over here, check out this extra pot that I have over here. And our goal is to move this pot over there so we can make that area look more appealing. Home shazaz, right? So pretty self-explanatory. As you can see here, we've got a dolly. You can get these dollies from Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco. That's where I think I got this one. But you may need two people, but I'm a strong man. Just kind of set it underneath like that. And what you're gonna do is kind of wiggle it underneath. And it's very easy. Tilt it back. And now we're going to relocate this planter. Just kind of roll it over here. It's that simple, guys. What you're gonna do is just wiggle it like so. And there you go, guys. You're probably wondering why. Well, my planter will never fall, but it's good to have a dolly like this because during winter time, when your plants get too cold, you actually should bring them in. You know, especially if they could be an indoor plant. So it's good to have these dollies. And our goal is for not this to happen again. So continue to watch my other videos. And we're going to create up a way to where this day bed doesn't blow over and hit this planter again. So if you like my videos, continue to follow.